Beer is one of the most popular alcoholic beverages worldwide, and Miller Lite is a favorite among beer lovers. It's light, refreshing, and perfect for any occasion. But if you're watching your calorie intake, you might be wondering how many calories are in a Miller Lite. In this article, we will answer this question and provide you with some low-calorie Miller Lite cocktail recipes to enjoy your favorite beer without packing on the pounds. Miller Lite calories. How many calories are in a Miller Lite? The calorie count of a Miller Lite depends on the serving size and the alcohol content. On average, a 12 ounces can of Miller Lite contains approximately 96 calories. However, if you're drinking from a larger glass or bottle, the calorie count will be higher. How to enjoy Miller Lite without packing on the pounds. If you're a beer lover, you don't have to give up your favorite drink to stay healthy. Here are some tips to enjoy Miller Lite without packing on the pounds. Watch your serving size. Stick to a 12 ounces can or bottle to keep the calorie count in check. Stay hydrated. Drink plenty of water to stay hydrated and avoid overindulging in beer. Skip the snacks. High-calorie snacks like chips and dip can significantly increase your calorie intake. Stay active. Regular exercise can help burn off the calories and keep you healthy. Low-calorie Miller Lite cocktails to try at home. Recipe 1, Michelada. Recipe 2, Beer Garita. Recipe 3, Grilled Chicken Salad with Miller Lite Beer. Discover in description of the video the complete article on our blog with preparations of the recipes.
Don't forget to claim below the video in the description your online course about brain reboot, lose fat like crazy. It is not a strict diet, hard to keep, but a 7-step brain reboot. It's like a washing pressure for our insides, and we keep it fun and easy to apply. 1 video per day for 7 days to change forever your habits and reach the body shape that reflects your inner personality, provides you confidence, and makes you proud of yourself.